Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya. So today I'll be showing you on how to make a brightening slash lightening shower gel at home. So you can make it yourself. First of all, you'll need castile soap or decal glucoside or even a shower gel, baby shower gel like Johnson's baby shower gel. Use any gentle shower gel because this thing will contain lemon. We'll be putting there lemon, which is a bit acidic. So that's the first thing you'll do. You measure your soap base. In this case, we are using the Castile soap, and then you mix very well. After that, you add your this is my turmeric infused oil. You only put 3 teaspoons of turmeric infused oil. Guys, you know the benefits of turmeric. It brightens and glows your skin. I forgot actually. Let me restart. After putting your castile soap, you add your rose water, and then you can actually use rose water or even any water. You can also use aloe vera juice. The reason I use rose water because it hydrates the skin, remove excess oil, improve skin tone, and then cut off. You will be using lemon juice. Guys, you'll see how the color will change. Lemon is acidic. Don't use a lot of lemon juice because it's acidic. Just see when I mix, automatically the color changes because of the lemon juice that we added. You can even see now that the color changed. So use lemon juice and then mix everything very well. And the benefits of this shower gel is that it's skin friendly. It doesn't contain chemicals. It brightens, it removes any blemishes on the skin, dark spots. If you have body acne, this one is a very good exfoliant because of the lemon that is there. Turmeric also gives you a glowy skin. You get this nice glowing bright skin. So after we mix everything nicely, you must make sure that everything is well mixed, and then after that transfer it into a clean sterilized bottle. I'm using this shower gel, you can see it's a bit watery because I put a lot of rose water. What you can do as well, you can just put more castile soap and then just a little bit of rose water. Let's say 95% of castile soap and 5% of rose water, so that you can have that consistency, like that thick consistency of your shower gel, and then it can also last long. The shelf life of this shower gel, let me say 10 days, because the castile soap already contain preservatives. So then that's how it is. Thank you very much, and please do not forget to subscribe, and thank you always for sticking in.